This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. Pristine Private Pool Home was built in 2022 and features 3 bedrooms, 3 baths and 3-car garage with raised deck flooring and generator electrical outlet. The second largest floor plan in Bridgewater. Plus 55 community. Tasteful interior paint colors, fully tiled throughout the home with light wood look tile. Gourmet kitchen west/quartz counters, high-end appliances, large pantry and oversized island. Open spacious great room. Bonus room can be used as den/flex or study. Plantation shutters throughout home. Primary suite with lake views, tray ceiling and crown molding. His/her walk-in closets. Double vanities, walk-in shower and garden soaking tub. Living space with resort-style screened pool/spa. Spacious Lanai west/saltwater pool 7x11 sun shelf west/umbrella and lounge chairs. Sheer decent water feature. Electric heater and solar for 6x9 spa which seats up to 8 persons. Over $15,000 worth of Lush Landscaping. Great entertaining home. You will not be disappointed. For more information, review the details below.